The National Weather Service in Franklin County has issued a severe thunderstorm for the following areas, including Columbus, Dublin, Gahanna, Bexley, Clinton, Hamilton, and Madison. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail as well. Stay away from windows. Expect tree damage, power outages, and mobile home damage too. If indoors, stay indoors and take shelter on the lowest part of a sturdy building. If outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Until further notice.